yani ukuthi nawe baba uyabanesa. Hayi-ke lo owasho ngaze usizini bani uthi uyagoduka ulokuthi uyagoduka kodwa uhleli lapha endlini ey'bizayo. Umuntu ofuna ukuhamba nje ashaye ishwapha sakhe ahambe ahlukane nobaba.
Mangabe-ke vele nje iyona into evele iphume kakhulu eceleni ukuthi kwenza ukuya kwa-left yena vele azile ka-right.
Kuyikubo just because ikhona thina ngabe akekho ukuba abekho abantu abahleli kubo.
Angizange ngihlangene naye.
Oh, Musa was so wrong, was so very, 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 very wrong. Ngokuthatha uSneh ayombeka etafuleni and asking i-advice from uSneh. And everyone is shocked ukuthi kanjani manje sofuna i-advice kuSneh. Wonile impilo enhle uthi akafuni ukuzingena indaba zabantu abadala. Why manje uyothatha uSneh owazi ukuthi abamfuna abantu? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back again noSneh nobabakhe. Guys, I feel like bacabanga ngokufana labantu laba. uSneh mentioned that aka-understand ukuthi ubabakhe why aloku busy alandelela labafazi laba angabayeki. Namuva uthini? Athi ubabakhe keeps on nursing abafazi laba and aka-understand ukuthi why angabayeki. That's the first red flag ayibekayo etafuleni uSneh, because ukuyeka labafazi laba, then there's no longer them selekus. Like there's no longer a family akusayakhwa, kuyabhidlizwa. Then the second thing, she mentioned that uMbali and ngokumbizwa kwakhe uthe lo yena othe ufuna ukuhamba every season yena uhlezi athi yena ufuna ukuhamba akahambi ngani. Uhleleleni waze wathenga nomuzi oyisithabathaba. She was mentioning uMbali. It's all obvious. She was mentioning uMbali. uSneh umuntu anenkinga naye kakhulu uMbali la. And I don't know ukuthi relationship yabo imoshwe yini, but I feel like uSneh could have been like uMpilo Enhle. Umpilo Enhle uthi makahlala etafuleni nobabakhe wamtshela ukuthi angikwazi ukuhlala la etafuleni ngidiscusse indaba nomuntu ongekho. Akafunanga nokuzingena nje indaba zabantu abadala. But uSneh uhlale laphana nobabakhe wathi nje umuntu afuna ukuhamba akashaya isishwapha sakhe ahambe. Mentioning abafazi bakhe. Kuqala she called uMbali ngolo, and then now uthi umuntu ofuna ukuhamba akashaya isishwapha sakhe ahambe. And uMusa was sitting there smiling. uSneh bekumele nguye othwele abantwana bakaMusa wamzalela wahamba wayobeka ekhayeni lakaMakhumalo. Bekumele uMusa acele uSneh because uSneh noMusa baya-understandana. They understand each other. And into ebhorayo ukuthi kusasa uMusa uyothi mekezwana noMangwabi bahleli benze i-lovey-dovey or i-pillow talk. Kuyothiwa uSneh wathi yazi nginishiye and benginishiya beyosala nobani. Iyojika yonke indaba. Mangabe makeza azo-confront uSneh, iyojika yonke indaba kuMusa. Amele eceleni athule. Next time uSneh must just tell ubabakhe ukuthi ngicela ungasazingena indaba zakho because ekugcineni zisala ngami. Amane nje amtshele lokho because izomcabanisa lento. Guys, Nina, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.